In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add blog posts on Wix. To get started, open your Wix editor. From there, look to the left sidebar and click Add Apps, which is the plus icon. In the search bar, type Wix blog, then select it and click Add to Site. Give it a few seconds to install. Once the app is added, Wix will automatically set everything up for you, including two important pages. The main blog page, where visitors can browse all of your posts, and the post page, which controls the layout for each individual article. After that, head over to your Wix dashboard in the left-hand menu. Click Blog, then choose Overview. This section gives you a central place to manage your content, including published posts, drafts, and basic analytics. One important note here, Wix may include some default template posts when the blog is first installed. So make sure you delete those before publishing your own site, so visitors only see your actual content. When you're ready to create a post, click Create New Post in the top right corner of the blog dashboard. At the top of the editor, enter a strong, engaging title that clearly tells readers what the post is about. Then start writing your article in the main text box. Keep your writing clear and readable, and consider breaking up long sections so the post feels easier to scan. If you want to enrich the article, click the plus icon inside the editor. This lets you insert images, galleries, videos, dividers, or HTML code, depending on the kind of content you're creating. If you're stuck and need help writing, you can also use Wix AI tools. Click the AI icon to generate draft content, rewrite text in a different tone, or even create a full post from scratch. This can be especially useful for outlining ideas or speeding up your workflow. Next, go to Settings under the General tab and choose a high-quality featured image. This is important because it helps your post look polished and professional, especially when it's shared on social media. To keep your blog organized, use categories on the left side of the post editor. This helps group your articles into topics so readers can find related content more easily. You can also add tags if needed to improve navigation. Then open the SEO tab on the left here. Customize your post URL slug, meta title, and description using clear, relevant keywords. This helps search engines better understand your content and can improve visibility. Once everything looks good, click Publish to make the post live right away. Or use the drop-down menu next to it to schedule it for a later date and time. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.